If you've clicked on this video, then I know you are confused कि अपने boyfriend को क्या दे, भाई को क्या दे, किसी male friend को क्या दे. Don't worry, this video will help you. Hello my beautiful sunflowers, welcome back to the channel. This is Ishita with 2 E's, and आज की video, as you already know, is gifting ideas for your male friends, brothers, boyfriends. I know it's very confusing, and I also know it's equally confusing for the men to decide what to give to their male friends. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this video is going to be very helpful because ये list मैंने नहीं बनाई है. I've also contacted 2 of my, what do you say, 2 males from my life, my brother and my boyfriend, and they've approved of this list. So yeah, so I'm going to be sharing around 7 to 8 very thoughtful and really nice and practical gifts. I think a few years back I made a video about 40 plus gifting ideas for your boyfriend and girlfriend. You can watch that as well. And now let's just start with the video. Now I've noticed that men don't pay a lot of attention. Most men, I'm not generalizing, but a lot of men in my circle don't pay attention to the kind of fragrances and colognes they use or take out time to research on what kind of products they should be using, and that's where you and I can step in. So Ustra has launched this Rakhi special gift set which consists of 2 fragrances. Number 1 is Ustra Ammunition and the other one is Ustra Base Camp Cologne. These are made of high quality ingredients, and आप जिसे भी ये gift कर रहे हो, trust me, these 2 fragrances will cover him for almost every event, be it a casual brunch date or a very corporate event. These 2 fragrances are universal and they also last for a good 6 hours. Now Ustra is one of the leading men's grooming companies in the country, and they make high quality premium product in multiple categories ranging from skincare to perfumes. All the products are free of chemicals and parabens and SLS, and also most importantly not tested on animals, only on rascals. Also the packaging is pretty cool. So the Ustra Ammunition one, which looks so classy, like the bottle is pretty classy and sleek. So this one has a deep mysterious fragrance of the night, you can say, and the Base Camp one has the cool and crisp fragrance of the mountains, which is honestly my favorite. Yeah, I'm actually using this one. I love it. Not only do they smell great, they also look pretty cool and sleek. So this would be a great gifting option for this Rakhi. And just like you and I know how to keep our brothers' secrets safe, Ustra knows how to keep your brother's grooming safe. Now this gift set is available on Ustra's official site. I also have a coupon code for you guys. So yeah, I'll be mentioning all the links and important details in the description box. Make sure you check it out. I feel shoes can make or break your look, and I'm not suggesting you to buy the normal sneakers. I feel that style is something जो हर लड़के के पास होते ही है. I am suggesting that you buy a pair of really cool formal shoes for your brother or your friend. I feel like ये वाला style is something that men usually skip on because they feel they won't be using it as much. But I've seen men wearing formal attires with very casual sneakers and it looks so off. तो इसलिए you should buy them a very good pair of versatile formal shoes. Almost every brand does formal shoes, so आप budget के according choose कर सकते हो. Basically this is like a must have, but not everybody thinks of investing in them, so yeah. Now I know men in my life will always need my advice when it comes to clothes and fashion, and they do trust my dress sense as well, so I can give them some styles जो उनके comfort zone से थोड़े like हटके हो सकते हैं, but at the same time I know it will suit them. See, not everybody is so much into shopping. In fact, some of them hate it, so you can make their life easier and buy clothes for them. My suggestions would be a basic solid tee or a solid colored shirt. If you're gifting something to a very young person like मेरा छोटा भाई, he doesn't have a lot of formal shirts, I would go for a crisp white shirt, which is a classic. Another very safe option would be chinos and trousers. You can ask for sizes from their friends, sisters and all. I think everybody goes for jeans and all, but chinos are equally good. And नहीं तो winters तो आने ही वाले हैं. Get them a very cool bomber jacket. Like I said, not everybody is into fashion, and accessories तो बिल्कुल ही neglect हो जाती हैं. Especially the bags. Like I feel bags for men's fashion is a game changer. So you can buy them either a backpack or a messenger bag, depending on whether they are a college going student or a working professional. I feel a very good looking sleek laptop bag can be a great gift for somebody who's working or starting a new job. I think backpacks, maybe there are a lot of options. I'm not saying going for those normal school backpacks. There are fake leather ones and there are also waterproof ones. You can check Fast Track for that, and also Wildcraft bag. A great daily bag can get them a lot of compliments and they'll always thank you for that gift. Now next gift is personally my favorite. मैंने क्योंकि gift किया है हर्षद को and he did like it a lot. It's a rucksack. It's those basically वो ये जवानी है दीवानी में जो सारे लड़के लेके घूम रहे थे. It's a great handy gift. If the person you're gifting it to is somebody into traveling, I'm pretty sure उनके पास ये already होगा. But अगर नहीं है, then definitely get it for them. I know I am buying one because of some future plans. I remember जब मैं बाली गई थी, I borrowed it from my friend and I was so thankful that I didn't carry my trolley या फिर कोई और handbag. This one is such a lifesaver when you're traveling. I think Wildcraft has a lot of color options and designs. So yeah, I think the lowest range in this would cost around 3,500. तो आप देख सकते हो. Now if you know that your brother or your boyfriend or your friend is into sports and कहीं से तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा कि what team they support the most, get them their official merchandise. It could be the t-shirts or अगर फुटबॉल्स वगैरह मिल सकती है. I know there are sites for these things because I've heard from my friends. So yeah, get the official merchandise for them. I am telling you, they will freak out. It would mean that you've paid attention to what they like. So yeah, if they are really into Marvel or DC या फिर कोई और ऐसे सुपर हीरो फ्लिक्स या फिर कोई पर्टिकुलर मूवी फ्रेंचाइजी like Star Wars and all, you can gift something from them as well, like their official merch. I would personally really appreciate if somebody gives me a Loki का action figure. Like I would be so happy. हम सभी लास्ट मार्च से घर पे हैं, so घर पे काफ़ी खाली टाइम होता है and everybody has time to try out new hobbies. So you can gift something related to that. Last year we got my brother a guitar. You can also go for a uke if he's into music. Another thing जो last year मेरे भाई ने gift मांगा था was a skateboard. I didn't get him because he thought guitar would be better, but I feel like a skateboard could be a very cool gift. Like आजकल सब घर पे हैं, you could practice it. Anyways, Instagram पे it's trending everywhere. हर reel में कोई skateboarding कर रहा होता है. So yeah, think of something unique. Basically gifting them something जो कि थोड़ा नया भी होगा would be something new for them. Trying out new hobbies is a great thing that you can do. So yeah, another very meaningful gift could be gifting them an experience. Like booking them a spa appointment या फिर कोई gym की membership या फिर a salon appointment, like a pamper session. I feel like ये बहुत ही rare है that men do it, but this is something I really know they would enjoy. I remember हर्षद ने मेरे 21st या 22nd birthday पे he booked a spa appointment for me, like a full body massage spa. I feel this kind of stuff is very common for girls but not as common for men, so make them feel special and make them feel pampered. So next one is earphones, earbuds, headphones. I don't know why, but मेरे दिमाग में सबसे पहले whenever I have to gift something to a male person, earphones सबसे पहले आते हैं. So just research थोड़ा सा, like if your brother is using some wired earphones, which is going to be very rare, give them a wireless one. If they are already using a wireless one, maybe you can upgrade it to bullet ones. Or if you know he really wants some sort of headphones, you can gift it to them. ऐसे बहुत options हैं. I would suggest check out Boat, JBL. Also, if you have the budget, go for AirPods. I think these are great. They are so convenient. ये मैंने खुद लिए थे for myself. I think Jan में this year. I was very confused whether to go for the OnePlus ones या फिर ये. मेरे पास तब Android था, but I don't know why my life has become so much easier once I switched to these. I love them. A great option. Similarly, if your brother is somewhat creative, like if he's into photography, you can look for photography kits. Like मोबाइल कैमरा लेंसेज आते हैं, अपग्रेड्स आते हैं, ऐसे बहुत सारी एक्सेसरीज आती हैं, सेट्स आते हैं. इफ देयर इज अ कैमरा दैट इज ऑलरेडी यूजिंग, यू कैन आस्क देम कि कोई लेंस चाहिए हो that they are thinking of. If your brother is into gaming, there are gaming keyboards and a lot of laptop skins and all. If there's something that you already know he is interested in, you can search for accessories accordingly and get something for them. I am sure they would appreciate it. नहीं तो normal चीज़ें तो power banks, hard disk, ये सब होते हैं. You can buy something cool for them. So yeah, that is all for this video. I really hope you found something to give to your friend, brother, boyfriend. Let me know if you have some other ideas in the comment section. I am sure it will help all of us. So yeah, that is all for this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.